Okay, dear children, now this is question number 10. Now, this question number 10 is actually starting from the overdraft balance. Okay, overdraft balance as per the cash book. So, you will get your answer as passbook. Since if your question starts with cash book balance, so you will get your answer as passbook balance. Okay, don't worry about this overdraft or overdrawn, whatever. Okay, but this overdraft, as per the cash book, it means it is a credit balance, that is a negative balance, so it should be recorded in the negative side, that is the minus side, and it should be inside the bracket. Okay, and this this is actually your overdraft bank balance. Okay, so it is a minus balance. Very simple. Question number 3. Let me just show you question number 3. So see, question number 3 was what? It was about the positive balance. Okay, so it was a cash book positive balance. So it is just like question number 3 only. What? Because you will get your answer as passbook. So you have to think according to the passbook. Now you will make adjustments according to the passbook. Okay, you have to think. You have to make adjustment according to the passbook. Okay. Now let us see point number 1. A standing order for a charitable subscription of 120 had been paid by the bank on 29th June, but no entry had been made in the cash book. Now, this BRS is as per 30th June 2018. Okay, but according to your standing order, 120 was paid by the bank. So, since it is paid by the bank, subtract it. If bank has um, subtracted the amount, you will put it in the minus column. If bank has added the amount, you will keep it in the plus column. So you just have to think uh, you just have to look at the opening balance and the closing balance. That is the starting point and the ending point, because this is your ending point. You will get your answer as passbook. Okay, we don't know whether it will be debit or credit, because I have already solved, so I have written debit out here. Okay, so you will record this debit at the end. So you will get your answer as passbook. Okay, so in the passbook 120 has been subtracted. Why? Because according to your standing order, bank has paid the amount, just like from our account. Every month EMI gets deducted. Why it gets deducted automatically? Because we have given the order to bank that every month on this particular date you should pay my EMI, isn't it? You should pay my insurance. So according to the standing order of you, bank has paid the amount, but the same has not been recorded in the cash book. So it is to be subtracted 120. Now, a check paid for advertising on 10th June for 369 has been entered in the cash book as 396. Now, the check amount was 369, but in the cash book you recorded as 396. In the cash book you wrote it more, but actually from the bank only 369 has been deducted. Okay, it's not 396 but 369. Okay, actually only 369 has been deducted from the bank account. That difference 27 has not been deducted, so it should be recorded in the plus side. Okay, now checks for rupees 2560 sent to creditors on 30th June were not paid by the bank until 6th July. So very simple, checks issued but not paid by the bank, so it should be plus. Okay, now this one, check received from customers amounting to rupees 3520 were paid into bank on 30th June but were not credited by the bank until 1st July. So you deposited the check, but the same has not been credited by the bank. So it is recorded in the minus side, 3520. Okay, and this last one. On 20th June, a check of rupees 530 were received from a customer in settlement of an invoice for 550. An entry of 550 had been made in the cash book. Okay, so actually you received the check for rupees 530, but in the cash book you recorded it as 550. Okay, however, the account was settled for 550 only. Okay, that extra 20 rupees is actually your discount allowed, but in the cash book you recorded it as 550. Okay, so that 20 rupees it should be subtracted. Why? Because in the passbook it has not been added. Okay, because in the passbook only 530 has been added, so that extra 20 rupees which you had plus in the cash book should be now subtracted, so it should be recorded in the minus side. Okay, now this is the total of the minus side. The total of this total of the minus side is 7500. Okay, and you will get the total of the plus side to be 2587, and since the total of the minus side is more, you will write this balance to be out here in the minus side only, 4913 inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, okay, remember, inside the bracket. And since it is a negative balance, so for the passbook it is to be debited, because for passbook debit balance is a negative balance, whereas credit balance is a positive balance. Okay, so similarly you can solve other questions, okay, up to question number 16. Now you can solve up to question number 16. I don't think you will have much problem. You can solve now, because there is no such problem. Like this question number 13. This question number 13 is quite, it's not quite, but it is similar to question number 7, 8, 9. Okay, only the thing is that the bank balance is just negative. So try question number 13, 15, 16 also. Okay, and this question number 17 is very interesting question. This question number 17. Question number 17 is very, very interesting. Yeah, this question number 17 will be the last question. Okay, because from question number 18 it is starting with the, what is this? Yeah, it is from question number 18 it is with the amended cash book. Okay, so you have to prepare a cash book and you have to make some changes in the cash book, then you prepare the BRS. We will not go into it. Okay, so up to question number 17 you must do, okay, in your copy, because I will check when our offline classes will continue. Hopefully it will start very soon. I believe so. Let's just pray to God. This question number 17, uh, everything is given out here only. Question number 17. Uh, Answers are given, adjustments are given. Okay, everything is given out here. So this question number 17 is quite, it's about your point of view. From where you want to start your question with. Whether you want to start your question as a cash book balance or a passbook balance, because both the balances are given. You can see out there, bank balance as per cash book debit 25450. It is already given out here. Okay, whereas passbook balance is 24180. So both these balances are given out here. Okay, question number 17. So it is up to you to start. From where you want to start. Okay, what should be your starting point and the ending point? If you want to start as cash book balance, then this will be your answer. Okay, but this, if you want to start as a passbook balance, then everything will be just reversed. Okay, everything will be upside down. Okay, so you should try question number 17 by both the balances, okay, as the cash balance as well as the passbook balance, and show me your work. Okay, When I will send you this PDF, I will be showing one particular question of question number 13. Okay, so please do solve this. Okay, and this concludes our chapter of BRS. So the next chapter that we will start, it will be bills of exchange. Okay, so yeah, bills of exchange. So in the afternoon, I will record the video, and by evening, you will receive the videos of bills of exchange. Even from this bills of exchange, we will not do some portion which are not so important. So uh, we will be solving. Okay, so let me just go through this questions of bills of exchange. Then I will let you know.